Namaskar. Today, let's look at an interesting question about a very common household item, the pressure cooker. Let's see whether a pressure cooker is good or bad. Does food lose its nutritional value when it is cooked in pressure cooker? The answer is both. It has its positive as well as negative effect. Cooking vegetables in a pressure cooker can affect their nutrient contents, especially antioxidants when it is cooked for a long duration. The high temperature in pressure cooking can break down some of the heat sensitive antioxidants. But if the cooking time is short, then it will get preserved. Water soluble antioxidants like vitamin C can leach into cooking water. If you are going to discard water, then you might lose the nutrients. I would suggest you all to retain the water and consume it. Let's see some positives. Pressure cooking can improve certain digestibility of certain heavy food such as legumes and grains by breaking down anti-nutrients like phytic acid and lectin, which can interfere with nutrient absorption. From health perspective, the key lies in the quality of the ingredients used and the types of dishes prepared. A pressure cooker can be used to create a nutritious, wholesome meal, or it can be used to cook high-fat, high-sodium dishes that are bad for health. The responsibility ultimately rests with us to choose healthy recipes and ingredients that align with a balanced diet. The quick and intense cooking of pressure cooker can be used occasionally if you don't have any time to cook, or if you have to cook high-fat food, but it should not be in a regular basis. You need to find a balance. Remember, act of cooking is a meditative process filled with positive intention, care, and love. Namaskar.